Welcome to the enchanting world of Norwegian mead or Mjød. In this guide we'll discover the ancient recipe for crafting this exquisite beverage, from selecting the finest honey to fermenting with traditional yeast. Discover the secrets that has delighted Viking feast for centuries. Let's explore this mead making adventure together. To make the mead we're going to use 25 liters of water, 3 kilos of honey and some mead yeast, and mix it together. So let's get started. To begin with, we have to dissolve the honey and the water in a big pot. This is natural organic honey from Wilde and Woolly farm. I'm visiting them this weekend. So if you follow their channel, you can see how we are going to look after the bees and maybe harvest some of their honey. And now we will heat up the honey and some of the water until it has been completely dissolved. And now the honey and the water has been dissolved. We have to transfer it into the wine balloon, and to make it a bit easier, Sif is going to help me to put it into a jug, then we can transfer it into the water balloon. And now into the wine balloon. And after the honey, we'll just top it off with natural fresh spring water. And when we have topped off the wine balloon with water, we have to let it rest to settle at room temperature before putting in the yeast. And when the meat has reached room temperature, it's time to add the yeast. And then we need to stir it a bit. And then we need to add the bung. And we will see you in 3 till 6 months. And after a couple of days you should have a nice fine bubbly sound from the bung. So after 3 till 6 months the meat is ready, so let's open it and have a taste. And for that I need the special people from Wilde and Woolly to join me. So come on in. Hello. So let's say hi to Wilde and Woolly. So from my right we have Søren and Maria and Sid, and of course me, Olsen the Dane. So let's have our taste.
Cheers. delicious.
Tastes like flowers.
Wow, that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for sharing this recipe with me.
You're welcome.
You're very welcome.
And you know what this is?
Easy peasy.